Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So today I have just a little thing to try out. As you can see, I don't have my brows done and I look a little crazy. This just goes to show how important doing your brows are, but what I've got for y'all today, this Glossier, I think is how you say it. I do not know. This little Glossier package. I got this little brow product that I was like intrigued with. And so this is what it is. So I saw this girl on Facebook. She does like Facebook like makeup videos that I watch. And she had this product from Glossier. Okay. This brow pencil. Or I don't even know if you call it a brow pencil. Brow pen. But anyways, her brows looked so pretty and natural and her makeup looked gorgeous. And she said this is what she used. So I said, I need to try that because her brows looked awesome. So here we are. We're going to try this out. When I did the order, you get a free sample. So I got this free, I don't even know what this is. Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. So I guess it's like a glowy skincare serum. I'll have to test this out later because I already did my rest of my makeup except for the brows. And then it looks like you get this little sticker. It's kind of cute. And I like these little bubble wrap bags that companies are doing. Like I know Huda has these huge ones that she sends her stuff in. But these are cute because you can like totally reuse these, I think. Anyways, this is called Brow Flick Microfine Detailing Pen. And I got the shade Brown. I'm kind of nervous about this. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I guess you shake it because it's got one of them little ball things in it. And this is what we're working with. Okay, this is like a super fine marker almost. Apparently, you just like do hair-like strokes. So this is different from how I normally do my brows because normally I like to outline and then fill them in. But with this, you can't really do that. You have to just do the hair strokes. So let's go ahead and see what we think. Let's try it out. Kind of nervous. Actually, let me test it on my hand first. So I guess you just do like hair flicks. I feel like this is not going to work on me. Kind of patchy, like it kind of drags. I don't know if y'all can see, but I don't know. It just kind of, it's not an even line. Let's just try. I've got like a bald spot right here, so let's start there. Flick, flick, flick. Oh my goodness, I don't know about this. And then up here at the top, my hair grows down right here. So like, if I do it down, it's just very odd. Okay, it just made like a big clump right there. Do y'all see that? Like it just like spit a big clump on me. It had really good reviews, but maybe I'm just... Do y'all see this? It's like got a clump right there. This clump has got to go. I'm gonna get my spoolie and just try to... That's a little better. This is so hard to do, y'all. Like, you can't flick good this way. Like, flick is like this. Like, if someone else was doing it, like if I was doing someone else's and I could flick like that, it would be so much easier. But flicking like this doesn't really work. And then the beginning of the brows. Lord help us. Not working. Not working out for me. Oh my gosh. And the more I try to like fill in, the more like black marker-ish it looks. No, this is not working. And then when you spoolie it, it just wipes it off and gives you a bald spot again. I was so hoping that this was going to be pretty like it was on her, but y'all. Okay, on this side, I'm going to try to start in the front and just feather it out. Let's try that approach. Y'all, this is awful. This is awful. How does anyone get this to work? Like, how does anyone do this? No, this is terrible. This is no bueno. No bueno. I'm just going to stop right here because this is going in the trash. What a waste. Look at this. I mean, maybe from far away you'd be like, oh, she's got nice brows, but hello, my name is Helga. No, I'm Helga. Say hello to Helga. No. Okay, what a mess. Anyways, do not like that product at all. Y'all, please let me know if you have used this thing, if you have gotten it to work, because personally for me, disaster. Disaster. Maybe a lighter color would have been better because that one looks almost black when you use it. I don't know, but I hope this video was helpful for I hope this video was helpful for y'all if you have considered purchasing this product. As for me, it ain't working. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.